10 ways to lose weight without starving yourself. You can stage a coup on calories without ruining your life or eating a single rice cake. Just follow this simple advice for how to lose weight fast. You might even be surprised by how easy and delicious some of these tips are to follow. 1. Always eat a man's breakfast. No more Lucky Charms, you want some protein and fat. Scrambled eggs and a few sausage links will keep you fuller longer than an airy donut will. 2. Eat more. We're talking 3 good snacks and 3 healthful meals. But what do you serve during the footy if you can't have crisps and dip? Mixed nuts, especially almonds, will satisfy your craving for something crunchy while helping to build muscle. 3. Just say no to starches. Foods like pasta, white bread, and potatoes make you fat. If you must have pasta, make yours whole wheat. Same goes for bread, and swap white potatoes for sweet potatoes. Just don't eat too much. 4. Lift weights. Yes, you have to hit the gym. And no, lifting beer cans during happy hour doesn't count. The muscles you build will not only improve your performance, they'll stoke your metabolism so you burn calories long after your workout is over. 5. Think before you eat. Don't just stuff your face with the stale cookies left over from the weekend. Eat what tastes good and what's good for you. Take your time eating, you'll stay fuller longer. 6. But have fun once in a while, or once a week. Stifle those cravings for too long, and you'll be miserable and might fall off your new plan forever. Just splurge reasonably, 2 slices of pizza, not the whole thing. 7. Go low carb. It's the easiest way to drop weight fast. The cravings are hard at first, but it gets easier especially when you see the results. 8. Run intervals. It's easier to alternate between hard and easy running instead of going for a long run dash. Especially if you don't like running. Plus, you'll be done faster and burn more fat. 9. Never, ever drink sweetened soda. But go ahead, have a glass of wine now and then. Low carb there is fine, too, in moderation. 10. Don't fear fat. It makes you feel full, helps control your appetite, and your body needs it. Of course, some fat is good while others are bad.